How to create a template on Trello. Now launch the Trello application. So by default, you should be directed to the boards page. But if not, then just tap on the three horizontal lines found on the upper left corner and then select boards. Now in this page, you should see the plus icon on the lower right corner. So tap that icon and it will show you these options: Browse Templates, Card, and Board. Select Browse Templates, and from here, select the template that you want to work with. But you can just tap the Alt tab, and from there, search for the template that you want to work with. So you will see these cards that are included when you select this template. So if you want to keep these cards, you can proceed to tap Create Board from Template. But if not, then turn off the toggle button beside Keep Cards, and then select Create Board from Template. Now enter your board name, and under Visibility, tap the drop-down button and select whether you want this board to be private or public. Once you're done, tap Create Board. Now from here, you can start customizing your board. And so that is how you create a template on Trello. Thank you and have a great day.